Hi guys, I'm Ipsita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's been like so long, but I'm back now and I'm trying voiceover videos because I want to make my videos shorter. And yeah, now let's get to the makeup. So firstly, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. This is my absolute favorite because it actually like really smoothens the skin and minimizes pores. So I usually just put it on my T-zone mostly, and all the other parts of my face I just use my moisturizer and that works great. Now for the foundation, it's Wetnwild Bronze Beige, and yeah, I have a weird pimple mark on my right cheek currently, but this is a great foundation, so it covers everything up. And I'm gonna fast forward clips of me actually putting up the makeup because like I don't want to bore you with 5 hours of me just blending this. Like, okay, anyway, now it's concealer. So Instant Age Wine, it's the perfect concealer. It's in the shade Honey and it's so full coverage, it's so affordable. It's like I feel like everybody should have this concealer in their kit, so yeah, you probably should go buy one. I'm also using it on my eyelids as a eyeshadow primer because I like to do that. I don't want to spend more money on buying an eyeshadow primer when I can do it with my concealer. Now I'm realizing that I do not have my beauty blender, so I improvise and blend it with my foundation brush. But I will later get on a beauty blender and blend all of this together, so don't worry. See, it's right here. So this is my Nykaa beauty blender and I'm just going to quickly blend all of the concealer and foundation together. Now it's time for setting powder. This is the K Beauty HD Loose setting powder. I just bought it. It's in the shade Banana and it's absolutely beautiful. It's like a flawless powder. I think it's my favorite drugstore powder I've used. Now for the bronzer, it's Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer all the time. It's my favorite. It's amazing. Just that's all I want to say about it. You see me blending it. And yeah, now moving on from that. Now it's time for blush. So Wetnwild Pearlescent Pink because it's the ultimate peach blush. This is a dupe for NARS's Orgasm, which I think is amazing because that is so costly. There's no way I'm ordering that. Plus this also has like a little bit of shimmer in it, so you can use it even without like an highlight. So it looks pretty stunning. As you can see, it made me flip my hair. So this is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal, but the logo sort of came off, and I use the setting spray once after putting my base on. Then I also do it like later after the whole makeup is done. I feel like it helps me put my makeup in place a little more. I don't know if that makes sense. Now let's move on to the eyes. This is the Nykaa palette that I forgot the name of, but it'll be in the description below. So yeah, this is just a transition shade and that I'm taking on a very fluffy color bar brush and just blending it like all over. I'm gonna skip the part where I put it on the next eye and just move on to the next shade. This is the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and I'm going for the dusty faded sort of orange color and putting it on the outer half of my eye till the center of my eyelid. And I don't want to blend it on the inner corner because we're going for a lighter, more nude color for it. Going in again with the Nykaa palette, this is a darker rusty shade and just going it at the very outer corner and just blending it for a little more depth. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, taking the very light brown, almost peachish shade and blending it in the inner corner of the eye, just using my finger to sort of place it on the inner corner. You don't really have to like blend it. And yeah, that's the eye makeup complete. I'm clearly vibing, loving my makeup today. Blending the same rust color under the eyes, so it looks a little more whole and a little more complete. Now okay, I'm taking the gold color from the Nykaa palette, the other Nykaa palette, and topping off the matte, peachy color with the gold. Now curling my lashes. This is a lash curler from Miniso that actually my friends gifted me on my birthday. It works like so great. You don't have to spend so much money on a lash curler. A cheap one does the job too. Going in with my favorite mascara now, the roller lash. And I spent like legit 5 minutes on the mascara, so I fast forward the whole clip. Now this is clearly Huda Beauty, obsessed with it, my favorite highlight ever. So this one is in Golden Sands actually, and yeah, clearly just doing that. Now I'm realizing that I do not have my highlighter brush. What is wrong with me? And I'm asking my mom to give it to me. She's an angel. She's always there when I'm filming, helping me out with stuff. So yeah, this is a cute pouch that I don't remember where I bought it from. I actually had a shoot yesterday, so I carried all my brushes in that. So just taking out my highlighter brush. This is actually like a really old brush that is actually my mom's, but I just took it because I think it's perfect for highlight. And yeah, I just dropped my palette right there, so I'm gonna pick it up now and go in again with the highlight and put some of it on. And yeah, Cupid's bow, done with the highlight. Now see, this is the second time I spray my face with the setting spray. I just feel like it sets it down twice, so it's like in place. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Los Angeles, which is like, I literally bought it and all of my family went crazy. Legit all my cousins looked for it, but it went out of stock on Nykaa like so quick and never came back. So yeah, just that. Then this is a very interesting product. This is a Chambor gloss, which is in like a stick form, but it's really nice. It's so natural and so glossy. It's beautiful. And since we're all wearing masks right now, I sadly do not do something really crazy with my lips, taking approval of my mom if I look nice. And now it's just 3 minutes of me posing, so enjoy that. I really felt my look, so I was like really like posing. I don't know why, it feels like an Instagram video to me in the end, but like, I mean, I was vibing to my look clearly. And I feel like since like now we all have to put masks on when we go out, eyes is a part of makeup that we will spend more time on doing. So this is a very easy, a little bit of color, naturalish eye makeup. And yeah, that's it for the video. Clearly I'm tired, but posing again. So yeah, thanks for watching, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me know if you like this kind of video, and yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Bye.